If R is a relation defined on the set Z of integers by the rule x comma y belongs to R if and only if x square plus y square is equal to 9, then write domain of R. So given here the relation R is equal to x comma y such that x square plus y square is equal to 9 where x and y are integers, and the sum is equal to 9 means one can be odd and even, because odd plus odd, the sum of two odd numbers will become an even, and sum of two even numbers also will become an even number. So to get the odd number, only the possibility can be taken odd and even. Odd and even can be odd. So x square plus y square is equal to 9. Like suppose if x is equal to 0, so that y square is equal to 9, and since x and y are integers, so we can write y is equal to square root of 9, or we can write plus or minus 3. So when x is 0, y is equal to plus or minus 3 possibility, it's an odd numbers, and when x is equal to 3, so we'll have y square is equal to 0, so which implies y is equal to 0, or even when x is equal to minus 3 also the same, y square is equal to 0, which implies y is equal to 0. And only these are the possibilities we can come across. So we can write the relation R is equal to x is 0 0 comma plus 3, and 0 comma minus 3 is one ordered pair, two ordered pairs, and when x is equal to 3 y 0, and when x is equal to minus 3 y 0. So these are the four different possibilities we can come across this problem. So the domain can be taken. Domain is the element to be taken x such that for x comma y belongs to the relation R. The first element we can consider. So that is 0 and minus 3 and plus 3. So only these are the three elements, minus 3 comma 0 comma 3 we can take. This is the answer. Okay, thank you.